दोस्तों, आप कुछ देर में बहुत धांसू इंग्लिश सुनने जा रहे हैं। तो प्लीज़ आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि भावुक ना हो जाए, क्योंकि ये इंग्लिश मैंने बहुत मेहनत से सीखी है। ठीक है, तो आप वीडियो को देखो और एंजॉय करो, और प्लीज़ एंड तक देखना यार, आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है। सो चलिए वीडियो देखिए और मजे उठाइए। थैंक यू। आई विल गो देयर देन ड्यू टू माई एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी इंग्लिश मेनी विल डाई एंड मेनी विल ओपन देयर शूज एंड something I think can be happened. So hello, hi everyone, how are you are and how I'm looking. First of all, myself Rohit, and you are looking so awesome. Boys are looking awesome and girls are looking gorgeous and beautiful. So with this thought, let us begin the video. So today in this video I'm going to share some of my English language with you that I have been learning in Cambridge. And I joined Cambridge 2 years before, means in 2017, and I'm being kicked out from there in 2019. Why? Because of my extraordinary English. Their principal says that you are not capable of learning English from our teachers, so you should not stay here. So they just kicked me out, and I also left there, just like Einstein. Many offers came to me, like from Google also. They said that just come to our office and see some lecture about it. So I was also ready to go there, but I thought ki if I will go there, then due to my extraordinary English, many will die and many will open their shoes and something anything can be happened. So the next I left, so I rejected their proposal. So the next day the offer comes from the Microsoft to give a lecture. So I was ready, hoping that many of them will listen to my English. So I went there. I given the English lecture in about one and a half hour, and many of them will listen very carefully. That when I was ending it, I had seen that many of them were lying just like a dead bodies, and many were coming to me, and they having some stones and some parcels in their hands. I thought they are going to give me some fruits and vegetables, but no, they were came there and just started throwing it. I thought what is this? So the Bill Gates awarded me the prize of the best English that was in my room. So I will show you in some other time. So is this English is good? Please let me know in my comments, because I have learning this English from my bachpan, and many teachers have given me the award for English. And I think that no one can speak English like me. So if you can, please let me know, so that we can do debate and can check whether you are the best or I am the best. So from Cambridge I returned to India, and I am learning English now also, and teaching English now also. People says I tells very good English, and I speaks also very good English, and many became fan of me, and such a huge diehard fan that when I meet them, they just show me their legs, and then I have to leave that place. So this type of English is very rare. And okay, wow, what I'm going to telling yaar, means sometimes I'm getting confused what I have to tell in the camera. So that's why. So the main motive is video is that you are seeing my videos, and sometimes you don't give me response. So sometimes I become very sad, and sometimes I become very dukh. So please in my every video, when I post you, please give me some comments, so that I can improve my in my videos, or some improve my topic for the next video. So when I just post it, whether you see or not, please let me know in my comments whether it is good or not. So hope so you are understanding what I am bowling to you. So this is all about how I have learned English, and I am to means you cannot compete with spelling with me. Okay, whenever I write a spelling, I always write the wrong spelling. You see, in my every video you get a spelling wrong, and this type of mistake no one can do. And that's what I have learned from Cambridge University, which is situated in US actually. So at the airport also, when I was coming, there was the air hostess. There was the air hostess checking my IDs, and when I was talking in English, she get frustrated and just given me the ID along with some other ID also, and I just entered into the airplane. And from there, the party that is just beside me, I was talking in English with her, and she left the place, and I have to come here alone. So that's how my English is going on. So what's the time? The timing is very high, so I have to go now. So how is this video? Please let me know in my comments, so that I can come with these ideas at the later stage. Thank you, and please watch my every video. This is a request, and धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत. So let's see in the next video.